Hi friends, here we are given two lines 3x plus 4y equals 9 and y equals mx plus 1. Now we are told that these lines meet at some point and x coordinate of that point is actually um, is an integer. At the same time m is also an integer. M is an integer, the intersection of these two lines, the x coordinate of that. If it is x meeting, if these two lines are meeting at x and y, then x coordinate is an integer and m is an integer. So how do you find this? Let us try to solve these two equations. Then we'll try to solve this, and then we'll get x coordinate in terms of m, because there is m here. If m was some number, we would have directly solved. But otherwise also we can try to solve these two equations, x and y you can get in terms of m. Y we don't need, we'll solve for x and see whether how we can ensure that x is an integer while m is also an integer. Okay, so we have these two equations, 3x plus 4y equals to 9 and y equals to mx plus 1, which also means mx minus y equals minus 1. Just rearranging this, right? And let us multiply this 4 times. 4mx minus 4y is equal to minus 4, right? And add these two, this becomes 3 plus 4m, and these two will get cancelled, equals 9 minus 4, which is 5. So x equals 5 by 3 plus 4m. Now x should be an integer, m also should be an integer. And if x has to be an integer, obviously, if this number is greater than 5, it cannot be an integer, right? If 5 by 6, 5 by 10, 5 by 20, this, it cannot be an integer. First of all, it has to be lesser than 5. At the same time, it has to be, it has to be something like lesser than 5, and has to be something like either it could be 1 or it could be 5, it could be minus 1 or it could be minus 5, right? For example, 5 by minus 10 is not acceptable for us. 5 by minus 20 is also not acceptable. Only options that we have are 5 by 1, 5 by minus 1, 5 by 5 and 5 by minus 5. Only these four options we have. So 3 plus 4m should be one of these four. Now what does that mean? Then 3 plus 4m, if it is 1, then m equals minus half, right? 4m equals minus 2, m equals minus half. This is not possible because m also has to be an integer. When 3 plus 4m equals 5, then also m is not an integer. When 3 plus 4m is minus 1, then m we are getting minus 1. So basically x is also an integer, m is also an integer. When 3 plus 4m is minus 5, then also we are getting m equals minus 2. Right. So basically for m equals to minus 1, minus 2, we have x coordinate. Also the meeting point of this x coordinate has actually has integer. Right. So m we have how many values? Two values. Right. Number of integer values of m is actually 2. Right guys. Simple problem. Hope you like this. Thank you.